How goes it, YouTube? Today is Saturday for me, but happy whatever day it is that you're watching this. Do me a favor, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to this video. Okay guys, in this video we're going to be looking at Mukbangers Not Wiping Their Mouth challenge by T-Bag. So let's see what they're eating on and why and how far they're getting with this. Please excuse the cat in the background.
Listen to Rihanna and run this town. Damn, who's jealous?
He said damn jealous. Shh.
Oh God, no! What the fuck? Oh no, it's going to my gold chain. Mom!
He called his mom to wipe his neck.
Oh God, my gold chain. This shit was expensive. Mom! Mom! G!
He was calling his mom to come wipe his neck.
Wow, we love cheese, yes we do. How about you? Oh, oh, oh.
That is not okay. I'm sorry. That's too much cheese, and he is ramming that mess. That is disgusting. Ow. Why? Stop. Please stop. Please stop. Why? Why would you do that? I do not like the way he eats at all.
It's so good.
I'm sorry. It says, you guys didn't see what she just said. She just feels like it's scared by the sounds that they're making.
This one's for you.
Do it. Do it. Do it. I'm all. She still didn't get it anywhere. She's cheating, y'all. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Oh, really?
I still don't understand why you would dip. I don't know. I think that's cheese, and you're dipping the lobster in cheese. I'm not a fan of lobster, but with cheese. is wrong? What is going on?
I need some toilet tissue. I need to wipe closet.
What is
And I
wrong?
need what?
What's going on? I don't understand. Why is she?
This is like a mukbang, a challenge, and an MISA all in one. People.
Some more.
That's some good spaghetti for my face.
Subscribe to our channel. Okay, you guys, tell me what was going on with that last one? Who the heck is that? Why does she need toilet paper? What is going on? Why would she need toilet paper? And she doesn't even know how to say ASMR. What? Your thoughts. Tell me your thoughts. The last one was real weird, but tell me your thoughts. Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a wonderful rest of your work day. Have a rest of your weekend. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright. Bye, you guys.